guys, Chad here from Future Drive. Today we're here at MCLAREN Waterfront and I'm so excited to be here. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video. And don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Come, let's check what we got.
Look at this 720s. It looks absolutely amazing with these carbon inserts all over the car and this giant beautiful wheels. And I love these type of new lights, insect lights that McLaren has put on. And I love that the car is so low and so wide. I never knew there were so many air intakes in this car. It's like mind-boggling. And there's also a window on the roof. Can you believe it? A window on the roof. And there's also an engine as well, obviously, because it's a car. But you can't really get to it, because only in case of emergencies you can get it. And the wing, it looks beautiful. And it's so massive, you probably can't see this on the camera. But it's like 2 meters long. Just showing how wide this car is. And I love the exhaust as well. They look beautiful. They just add to the whole aura of this car.
We are super excited. We've been looking forward to this day for a very, very long time. We're out here at McLaren and Aston Martin, situated here in the V&A Waterfront, Cape Town, who is the authorized dealer of these beautiful pieces of art, really. Just stepping into the showroom, I mean, Chad is overwhelmed, I am overwhelmed, as you can pick up, but just stepping into the showroom is so overwhelming. I mean, it leaves you speechless. You don't even know, I don't even know where to start. I really don't. I mean, this is a place where childhood posters comes to life. I mean, you dream of these things. Thank you so much for McLaren for inviting us to come and review some of their cars. In the showroom at this moment is this 720s dressed in Memphis red, and over there on my left hand side is a 650s, the predecessor to this one, of course. But these cars, I mean, the images that you see really doesn't justify when you see it in the metal. Today we're going to review specifically the 720s. We're going to take you around the exterior, show you the interior and discuss all its features, and then also start it up. We won't be able to drive it today, but if you keep on liking this video, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to our channel, pretty soon we'll take all of you out and take you for a ride in this beautiful, and it's not really a car, I mean, this is a piece of art. It really is. It's beautiful beyond description. This car is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, propelling this piece of art from 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. It will do 0 to 200 in 7.8 seconds, and it will do the quarter mile in 10.3 seconds. Those are blistering fast numbers. But inside here, this is just a special place. Wow, just sitting inside this McLaren 720s, it's just, I mean, with these double hinged doors, it's absolutely amazing. You guys can't really see it, but there are so many people, I mean, people walk past, they stop, they come and have a look. This is a dramatic car. You can't be inconspicuous when you drive and even sit in this car. It is static, but it's attracting so much attention. Just off the bat, inside this car is pretty special. I mean, I'm going to close these wing doors. It is so sculpted. You know, you sometimes get into these exotic cars, and then outside it's all dramatic, all curvy and beautifully designed and put together. But inside it's plain. But here it's just complement. The inside just complements what you see on the outside. I'm thinking about, you know, if you're inside an Audi R8, for instance, it is beautiful on the outside, but inside it looks just like another, Audi TT. But in here, no, this is, I mean, the touches, there's Alcantara everywhere. I like this infotainment screen, and it's nice and roomy in here. Surprisingly so. I mean, I think this Chad mentioned earlier about the window in the doors, the window right on top, almost like a sunroof, and I think that creates also an extra sense of space for a supercar. It is quite nice. There are very nice touches. I like these steering wheel pedals. I like the feel of the steering wheel. I like these indicators. it feels so lovely. It almost feels, it gotta feel like, it feels to me like titanium. It might not be, but it feels to me like titanium. I have a titanium watch my wife bought me many moons ago. It has the same feel over here. Okay, there, beautiful revelation of the instrument panel. It's a special place to be. This specific car is not brand new. It's 5,339 kilometers on the clock, and the salesman said this one is on the market, they're selling it for 5.8 million. New will be about 7 million. That's without any options. And trust me, when you start ticking those boxes, that price can easily go up to 9 million rand.
Sounds amazing.
Tell us what you think, Chad.
It's amazing, Dad. And like you can still hear it even though you're inside it.
How do you feel?
I feel excited and like shocked by the sound.
Inside of the MCLAREN 720s, and as you guys can see, it attracts so much attention. This one is obviously dressed in Memphis red, beautiful car. It really stands out when the sun just shines on it. It is absolutely beautiful. If you look at the lights right in front, I mean there are holes behind it. This looks like the headlights, but it's not really the headlights. These ones over here, that is the headlights. It just really looks dramatic. Just come around, 20 wheels to the back, 19 in front, and those mags just fit absolutely. It just complements the car. See the doors over here, they are all functional, thrusting air from the front right through the radiator to cool down that V8 engine, producing 550 kilowatts and 770 Newton meters of torque. It is absolutely amazing. This has been quite an eventful day for us. It's been a highlight of our channel thus far, and we really hope to take this one out for a spin pretty soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video, like it, and comment, leave your comments in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you once again for MCLAREN here in Cape Town, situated at the V&A Waterfront, for allowing us just some time in this beautiful machine.